Ukrainian soldiers reportedly captured hundreds of Russian combat vehicles, including T-90 main battle tanks, two S-19 Msta-S self-propelled howitzers, Lynx and Typhoon armored vehicles. What was striking was that the Russian military abandons even their most advanced and combat-ready air defense systems at the sight of Ukrainian drones and aircraft. Over the past few days, the Ukrainian Army strikes or captured Tor M2 surface-to-air missile systems, Pantsir S-1 self-propelled anti-aircraft gun and missile, SPAAGM, systems, Buk M1 surface-to-air missile systems. Some sources reported that the Ukrainian Bayraktar TB2 armed drone also destroyed the Russian S-300 surface-to-air missile system in southern Ukraine, but there is no evidence for this. As Oryx blog previously reported, Russia already lost 353 combat vehicles and aircraft, of which, destroyed 154, damaged 8, abandoned 82, captured 107. The 24th of February, Russian President Putin announced a military intervention in Ukraine, days after recognizing two breakaway enclaves in eastern Ukraine, drawing international condemnation and vows of tougher sanctions on Moscow. Fears of a Russian invasion into Ukraine have been rising for months. Mr. Putin has accused the West of ignoring Russia's demands to prevent Ukraine from joining the Western NATO military alliance and offer Moscow security guarantees.